Hey there everybody. Today I'm going to do a quick pour and I'm using Arteza paints and the colors I had mixed from a previous video. I still have a little bit of, so the colors I have are the ultramarine blue. This is phthalo blue. This is phthalo green. And then I mixed up my own color, but it was a little bit of phthalo green with the pale green to make up a little bit deeper limey green. And then I added a drop of silicone into each cup per ounce of paint mixture. So if there's 3 ounces in the cup, then I add 3 drops of silicone. And everything is mixed 1-to-1 ratio with Floetrol Easy Flow. And then I added water because Arteza is extremely thick and rich, and you want to mix in your Floetrol or your Floetrol medium to it, and then you've got to add water to get it to the perfect consistency to do a pour. So I love these rich colors and I wanted to add that lighter green in, and then I've got white in a bottle and just do what I call almost like an ocean kind of pour, but not in a wave fashion. I just want to use these colors. So this was the leftover from the last thing, and it was just gorgeous, and I thought this color would really be pretty and mixed in with it. So I'm going to first of all just wet the canvas a little bit with some white that's pre-mixed. And like I said, just a little bit. I just want a skim coat, which I use my Wilton Easy Glide tool here. And I've got some fingerprints on the canvas and all that, and that doesn't matter because I'm going to do a pour over it and it won't show. And you can also refer to your chart, and if you don't have a chart, you can contact me on my website at sandralett.com. There's a contact form, or you can go to Facebook and you can join my group, and my group has different files that has recipes and charts for pouring and all kinds of great tips between me and Jill Jackson, who is my moderator in that group. We put together information that we thought would be helpful for you. So I kind of want to do a dirty pour, and I kind of want to do a tree ring pour, but it's got silicone, so it's not, you know, it would be cell-like. I think I'm going to do a tree ring pour, but kind of keep. I will put it in this measuring cup, and what I'm going to do, just for fun, is just put a big drop of silicone in this container, just so that nothing sticks to the cup, or it just makes it slide out easier. I'm just doing it for the fun of it. Who knows what will happen. So I'm going to start with the phthalo blue. And I'm going to kind of try to layer it a little bit. This is a lot thicker. This green is way thicker than everything else. So it will be interesting to see what happens. So I'm doing about half of the color. Just kind of doing it in layers. Now that this is down some, I'm going to add some water to it because it was really too thick. So this will give it a little bit more fluidity to make it a little easier to pour. And there's a lump right there. So you know how I'm doing it kind of from the side? It just helps it go in and not pull, like drop down into the paint and sink. It kind of keeps it on the surface. That's why I'm doing that. So I think I'm pretty good. I might just do a little bit more. Just for fun. Everything is for fun, to be honest. So now, and it doesn't matter, you know, about where I'm starting from with the colors. I'm just going to start pouring, but I'm going to go loose. Like spiraling out. And there's a big lump right there. Really big lump. I'm just letting this paint come out. It's so pretty in the cup. Okay, now you can use your heat gun or the torch. So I've been using the torch, so let's just do the heat gun for the fun of it. Does it do any differently than the torch? I don't know. I don't really think there's much of a difference. We can torch it too. So, I want to do something just a little bit different. Just trying to decide when I want to do it. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Okay. So now I need to do something with these sides because I like this so much. I guess let me let it drift a little further this way. And this is going to be pretty on here if I let it dry and I don't mess it up. So what I can do is just take an extra cup that I had started to mix color in and put a little green, a little blue, lime, a pinch of white. And I'll go through it with my stick just a few times. So, I'm just basically trying to add paint. making sure my edges are covered. I wanted to blow, and I don't know if this is going to work. I see another lump. This one's different, and I expected more of an aqua color instead of the limey color. I expected it to blend more and it didn't, and that's okay. But I really like this. I think it's really pretty. It's got some funny little things going on. Right here I want to add some of that deeper color. That was too light in that corner. But I think I'm done with this one, and the cells will probably keep popping up. So this is a tree ring pour with silicone, and then just kind of stretching it out. It almost looked like a peacock feather at first, but then as I moved it, the shape continued to change. So sometimes you just end up with whatever you end up with. So I saw on someone's YouTube or on a Facebook page, it's been a while so I forget where I saw it, but somebody said they used contact paper. So I got a roll of contact paper, and this is clear, matte, transparent. So, you know, it's the kind that it's on a roll and you peel off the back when you're finished. So I'm going to pour skins on top of some of this paper. So what I did was I took a piece and I cut it and I taped it onto a piece of glass. So here is the piece of glass. And I want to do something with the leftovers of these colors because they are so beautiful. But I don't want to mess this up. I don't want to put this down, so I'm going to have to hold it. But I'm going to let some of this color drip down. And I'm going to take what's left in these cups, and there's some on the table too that is not pretty, it's just leftovers. So I'm just letting it drip into the cup. And I have some in my container here. And that has a touch of black in it, but that won't hurt. So I'm going to put that in there. Some lime. This ultramarine blue. And I'm going to get my squeeze bottle that has turquoise in it. Desert turquoise. Squeeze some of that in there. I think that will be really, really pretty. And then, let's see if I can finish out any of this cup. The lime green, whoops. And this phthalo blue. So this is quite a bit of paint here that's in the cup. I'll just put a squiggle of white. So I'm going to take this and flip it over. And I've actually put it on the paper side. I meant to put it on the other side, but I don't think it really matters because one's going to peel off the other anyway. But I probably should have put it on the other side, on the shiny side, which I didn't do. I accidentally taped it the wrong way. Ooh-wee. There's the heat torch. I'm going to heat it. I'm going to wish I had done this on a canvas. Okay, I'm going to leave this as is. I just wanted to see the white over the colors, and I like these colors too much. I was going to put white over all of it, but I like it too much I'm just going to leave it because I think it'll make some pretty skins. Or this could even be cut out and put into a picture frame, and this could have a fish painted on it, like a koi fish or a frog. There's so many options, so I'm just going to leave it as is for now. So maybe on this corner where it's kind of bland. Yeah, that'll be pretty when the cells pop up there too. And I'm going to leave the rest. So I've got some different options with the white over it, the deep blue, and then this is the medium tone. So I'm going to leave it that way. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out the links below. There's all kinds. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.